Today we're going to be going over a weather forecast for the United States over the next few weeks or so, and I'll be talking about what you need to be knowing about the weather in your location. So let's get into it. So first, we got to be talking about our tropical weather, as we have a tropical disturbance in the Atlantic Ocean where we are expecting a tropical storm to develop within the next 7 days. So there's a high chance within 7 days and a medium chance within 2 days. And if it does develop, I think it's going to be named Jerry. That's what it says, at least. And if it develops, I don't think it will be impacting any land. I mean, if we look at the spaghetti models, this is the areas where we think it's going to go. I think it will just be a fish storm, which means it's just going to go up into the Atlantic Ocean and not affect anyone. But I don't think you guys should be worrying about it if you're in the United States. And this is another deja vu, and it's just going to go back up into the Atlantic Ocean. And that's what we're expecting for this storm down here. So yeah, it's going to develop pretty soon, and yeah. And we do have a few tropical systems in the Pacific Ocean right now, but I don't think these are going to be impacting the United States. We got Hurricane Priscilla, which is a Category 1. It's going to be a Category 2 by October 7th at around 8 a.m. And it doesn't seem like it's going to impact anything. And it looks like it's going to wear off before it even impacts Baja California. But this is what the spaghetti models say of where it's expected to go. And it doesn't seem like it's going to impact anyone, but it could bring some moisture over here as well. So if you're in this area, you guys are going to be expecting to see some moisture in this area for a pretty long time. We're also having another tropical storm down here in the Pacific Ocean, which is not supposed to affect anyone either, which is Tropical Storm Octave, but we're not going to be expecting anything crazy with that one. If we go back over to our tropical system over here, which is Future Jerry, you can see this is him right here. And watch him as he goes up into Atlantic Ocean. This is the future radar of what we're expecting him to do. That's him right here. And you can see him just go up Atlantic Ocean and not affect anyone. So yeah, we don't really have to worry about that too much. And yeah, and while Priscilla is doing its thing over here in the Pacific Ocean, this is around October 11th, 2025. Look at this thing. See this little thing right here? That is going to bring some pretty nasty storms to the Outer Banks, possibly, in some parts of the East Coast. And this is by October 11th. And if you go even more into the future, it literally impacts the Northeast. And this might be a nor'easter, guys. This might be a nor'easter. You can see it impacts it, and we could even see some snow. And look at that. And this could be a pretty big storm that impacts the United States. And I mean, it could be a nor'easter and just impacts the United States up here, and it's going to be pretty bad looking. And it's going to be by October 11th and October 12th. So yeah, this is going to bring some heavy rainfall. We're not for sure if it's going to impact the northeast, but we're pretty sure that it is. And yeah, just need to be watching out if you're in the northeast and the eastern United States around October 11th and October 12th. Maybe even a little bit on October 10th as the storm will start developing and kind of just go up into the United States just like that. Now let's talk about some of the rain that we're going to be expecting in the United States over the next 2 days. So right now we have a line of rain moving over here in the Midwest. This is it, and watch as it just moves. It looks like it's not going to cause too much bad stuff to happen, but it might cause a little bit of flooding. It's going to probably cause some rain and stuff, but I wouldn't worry about it too much, as you can see there, as it just kind of goes up there. And we're going to be expecting some rain in this area. And if you look at that, it kind of just goes east. And I don't think it's going to bring any severe weather, but we're still going to be watching it just in case, because we are not for sure. Now, if we look down here inside of this circle, you can see actually we're expecting a lot of rain within this area. And if you look into the future radar, you can see a lot of rain moving through this area. And if we go into the future around October 7th, you can see over here in Ohio is getting slammed by rain. I mean, look at this. So if you're anywhere in Ohio tomorrow at October 7th, you guys are probably going to be seeing some rain, and that's could lead to flooding. Maybe even heavy rain will even be a possibility in Ohio tomorrow. So if you have any outdoor activities, maybe you should look into the weather at your local area. But you guys are going to be expecting some rain tomorrow. I don't think severe weather, but if severe weather does happen, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll keep you guys updated on everything with these storms. And yeah, this is what we're going to be expecting with our rain for the next few days. But yeah, we could even see a few hailstorms out there too. But I wouldn't worry about it too much. So yeah. And we do got a few freeze warnings out here, and this is pretty cold out in this area. So if you're anywhere in this circle, you guys have some freeze warnings within this area. It's going to be pretty freezing. So make sure to wear your jackets. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado. I hope you guys have a good week. I'll be posting videos daily now, and yeah, I might skip a few days, but we're going to be doing as much videos as I possibly can to keep you guys updated on the weather. Have a good day, and see ya later in the next video.